Welcome to our video on the evolution of technology. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the history of technology, from early inventions to futuristic concepts. We'll explore how technology has changed the way we live, work, and communicate, and how it will continue to shape our future. Part 1: The early days of technology. The earliest forms of technology date back to prehistoric times, when humans used simple tools and weapons to survive. These early tools, such as stone axes and spears, allowed early humans to hunt, build shelters, and protect themselves. As civilizations developed, so did technology. The invention of the wheel revolutionized transportation and trade, enabling the movement of goods and people over long distances. The discovery of agriculture and the development of tools like the plow transformed the way humans cultivated crops and settled in one place. Another significant invention was the printing press, which was invented by Johannes Gutenberg in the 15th century. This revolutionary device allowed for the mass production of books, leading to the spread of knowledge and the democratization of information. Part 2: The Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution marked a turning point in human history, with the invention of steam engines, telegraphs, and the assembly line. These inventions transformed the way we manufacture goods, communicate, and travel. Steam engines, pioneered by James Watt, powered the factories and locomotives of the Industrial Revolution, driving unprecedented economic growth and urbanization. The telegraph, invented by Samuel Morse, revolutionized long-distance communication, allowing messages to be sent across vast distances in a matter of seconds. The assembly line, introduced by Henry Ford, revolutionized manufacturing by streamlining production and increasing efficiency. This innovation made products more affordable and accessible to the masses. Part 3: The Digital Age. The digital age began in the late 20th century, with the invention of the personal computer, the internet, and mobile devices. These inventions transformed the way we work, communicate, and access information. The personal computer, popularized by companies like Apple and Microsoft, brought computing power to individuals and revolutionized the way we process information. The internet, a global network of interconnected computers, opened up a world of information and communication, connecting people from all corners of the globe. Mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets, have become an integral part of our lives, allowing us to access information, communicate, and navigate the world with ease. The rise of social media platforms and digital services has further transformed the way we interact and consume content. Part 4: The Future of Technology. The future of technology is full of exciting possibilities, from artificial intelligence and robotics to virtual reality and quantum computing. These emerging technologies will shape our future and transform industries like transportation, education, and space exploration. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize various fields, from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. Robotics and automation are becoming increasingly advanced, with the potential to change the way we work and interact with machines. Virtual reality and augmented reality technologies are opening up new possibilities for immersive experiences, from gaming and entertainment to training and education. Quantum computing, with its ability to process vast amounts of data and solve complex problems, holds promise for breakthroughs in fields like cryptography and drug discovery. And there you have it, our journey through the evolution of technology. From the earliest forms of tools and weapons to the futuristic concepts of tomorrow, technology has transformed the way we live, work, and communicate. We hope this video has inspired you to appreciate the incredible progress we've made and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more captivating content.